Come on.
Oh,
They need a switch to be on the right side.
yeah, I wait a minute.
Which am I? Wait,
Somebody
one
punch.
are we?
One person punch.
Okay.
Mom, you're red.
You're
Who
red,
am
I'm
I?
blue.
They're on the right side.
Mom. Yeah, there you go, there you go, there you go. Mom, there you go.
Oh! Gotta knock her out in practice. This is just practice. So don't give it everything you got here.
Oh, big
I don't know
uppercut.
who's getting who.
Are they just practicing? Oh.
Kelly, practice going back and forth.
Yeah, go like this, Mom. Mom.
Go back and forth.
What?
Now you're fighting. Now kick her butt, Kelly.
Come on, Mom, come on.
Just keep punching. Just keep punching. You got her, Kelly. Keep going, Kelly. You got her.
Go, Mom, go.
Oh, it's close. Keep going close. Oh, they both.
I can't go anymore. There you go.
Is that practice?
No. They were,
Is that the
oh, they're
real-
up.
Don't hit the TV now.
You guys are dorks, man, I'm telling you.
Just keep.
Yeah, you're gonna get hit.
It's awful close. Look at
Wow, this is interesting. That's awesome.
Look at Tiffany.
I know. It's all over, When you're trying to duck, it won't duck, honey.
Kelly, you're doing good again. You about got her down. Keep going.
Smack you.
Somebody went down.
Oh, here she comes.
I can't.
Go, come on.
Uh-oh.
Someone's getting heavy hits in.
Kelly's gotta go down.
Oh, that was a big hit.
Oh.
Oh,
Hey, you're up
wow.
by 2, Mom. Oh, up by 1.
There, they're back up again. All right, gotta go.
I can't.
Come on,
Oh, Kelly, you
swing.
can knock her out. You got 5, 4.
I can't do it anymore.
That's around. You guys lost.
There you go.
Hey, this has never happened. We've never made it this far.
I have with the computer. Go, guys, go.
Around.
I was in the restroom.
Round
Almost had a
2.
heart attack yesterday. You think I can do this?
Don't hurt yourself.
I don't think this is doctors understand.
Get out! Get out!
Oh, you're done.
You wussy! Get out!
Tiffany, look good. She's all.
Oh, no! Oh, she got up.
You guys believe me about Kelly now?
She can really kick her off.
Nice, Carl.
Oh, somebody got hit.
Mom. Come on now.
God, my arms are. They gotta get.
Mom, back up. You're about to hit the thing.
I'm not gonna hit the TV. And
Oh,
if I
somebody
do-
went down. Oh,
This is close.
this is close. You're gonna get back up here in a minute.
Dude, don't ever find me in a dark
Let's see
alley.
the face.
Oh, do this, Mom. Do this, Mom. Do this.
All right. Yeah, wait, they're still going. It's been 4 minutes.
Close, Kelly.
Oh, somebody's getting popped.
That's Tiffany getting.
She's getting swacked. Somebody just went down.
Red went blue. Red went down.
All right, here we go. I think this is it.
Oh, she's done.
Oh, she's done.